Most of us might be facing problems with mealybugs, ants, and a lot of things in our garden. So in this video, let's know how to get rid of them using an organic pesticide. This is Arya and welcome back to another gardening episode on our channel. Let's take a look at the ingredients required to make organic pesticide. The ingredients are very basic and are easily available in every kitchen. Around 10 garlic cloves and 5 to 6 chilies will do. And then we need cinnamon, which is dalchini sticks or dalchini chakka. You can see the quantity of each of the ingredients that I'm using. To make organic pesticide, we require the paste of all these 3 ingredients. So, transfer all these into a mixer jar to prepare a nice paste. Once the mixture is ready, we need to mix it with sour buttermilk. I've taken sour curd here. I think it is 2 to 3 days old. So transfer it into a bottle, shake it really well and add some water to it to prepare buttermilk. If you have sour buttermilk, you can use it right away. If not, you can convert sour curd into buttermilk and then use it. But make sure it is sour, only then the organic pesticide works better. We've transferred it into a water jug and filled it with water. Now take the already prepared paste of cinnamon, garlic and chilies and mix it with the sour buttermilk. Keep it aside for 1 day, covering with a lid. To spray this pesticide onto the plants, we need a sprayer. If you have a ready-made sprayer, don't use it because the fine holes might get blocked because of the substitutes in the pesticide. So better take an unused bottle and make few holes on top of the cap and then use this one as a sprayer. This way there won't be any blockage. This is how it looks 1 day later. By the next day, the essence of the mixture will be absorbed by the water and so it can be used as a pesticide. Mix it well. Now filter the solution into a bucket or any container. This gives a pungent smell. Also, the solution will be concentrated, so mix it with plain water in the ratio of 1:1. I'm mixing 1 jug of the solution with 1 jug of plain water. Organic pesticide is now ready. You can transfer it into a bottle and proceed with spraying onto the plants. I've got about 2 liters of the solution. Now spray this organic pesticide onto the plants which are affected. If you can see, few leaves are completely eaten away by insects or pests. So you can start spraying this organic pesticide onto leaves, stems and mostly affected areas. Just check the complete plant for any pests or insects and then spray accordingly. This poor plant is completely affected. You can see the accused on my hand. See, there is one more sitting here. If the plant is affected very badly, then spray more amount of this organic pesticide. This hibiscus plant is also highly affected by mealybugs and ants. You can see all of them here. So first remove them using your hands and then spray this organic pesticide onto the stems and leaves. Whenever there are mealybugs in your garden, I think most of you might have seen ants along with them. That is because mealybugs provide food to the ants and in return, ants provide protection from other insects to these mealybugs. So this is the relation between mealybugs and ants, and so they are seen together most of the times. Since this plant is highly affected, it consumed more than half the bottle of our organic pesticide. See, we've got a cute bud here. Make sure to spray at the bottom of the stem too. This one is propagated through stem, and I want to treat this one as well. This plant is also affected badly, so let's treat this with our organic pesticide. We are treating most of the affected plants in our garden with this organic pesticide. You can use this on unaffected plants as well. This avoids new pests, bugs, and insects. You can see a DIY planter and table rose plant in it. If you want to know how to make a DIY planter and propagate this plant, do watch my previous video. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So with the amount of ingredients that I've shown in the beginning of this video, I could prepare about 2 liters of organic pesticide. And it was enough for all the plants shown in this video. According to the number of plants you have in your garden, you can prepare this. If you have highly affected plants in your garden, then you can use this organic pesticide bi-weekly. Choosing a nice topic, filming a video, giving voiceover, editing it, creating thumbnail, and then uploading the video is not a small thing at all. And of course, it demands a lot of efforts and time. So if you like this video, then feel free to give this video a big fat thumbs up because that keeps me motivated in making more videos. Also share this video with your friends, whoever is interested in gardening. Comment and let me know if you want me to make more gardening videos. You can follow me on Instagram too. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified of my new videos. Catch me on another video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and garden with me.